Hey there, I'm Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. This week we're going to talk about what George Foreman has to do with your voiceover career. You might remember George Foreman, don't you? You know, he's the boxer, the former boxer who had the Foreman grill. He made millions with that thing. Well, I met him. You can see his photograph right here on the webpage, and he is a delightful person. He is so likable. So I thought we could talk a little bit about being likable with your customers this week, because it's all too easy to hide behind your computer when you're prospecting for your voiceover services. You can spend years working for somebody and just send emails, never talk to them on the phone. That's not a great idea. It's always good to get on the phone with people and build rapport, especially when you're starting to grow your voiceover business. So here's some lessons I took from George Foreman, because he's mega successful, and I think he has a lot to teach all of us. Start all conversations by building rapport. Take an interest in people, a genuine interest in their hobbies, where they're from, about their town, their business, even the weather, the sports teams. Those things might seem trite, but you break the ice, and they're always great to warm up a conversation. The next is to smile, just like I'm doing now. It comes through in your voice, and it warms people up to you. Have at least one nugget of information about that person's business or themselves, which you have researched online, before you hop on the phone with somebody. That is great. And when you talk to them and they tell you about their life, take notes and put it in your database, so the next time you get on the phone with them, you can ask them about that vacation they just took, or about their kid and name their child by name or their dog by name. They will be so impressed. All of those little things seem silly. They might seem stupid to you, but they really, really help to build rapport, because in voiceover and in life, people love to do business with people they know, like, and trust. So have a great week. I'm Susan Berkley. I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.